Hello viewers, you're welcome to another SMC tutorial video, and in today's video we'll be guiding you on how to navigate through the BBQ mining. And before we get started in today's video, if you find our video helpful, do well to purchase our educational token WikiCat, which is built on the Binance Smart Chain network, and the contract address will be below this video. So BBQ is actually a token based on the Binance coin blockchain, and this game is not only fun but it is tangible. It is predicted that this coin will launch at a good rate and with 24 hours trading volume. So it's important for us to get as much coin as possible before this coin launches. So what we'll be needing to mine this BBQ coin is your BBQ referral and also your Telegram account. So I'll be getting my referral link and it will redirect us to the Telegram account. Okay. Okay, here is the BBQ. I already have 197,000 watts of it. So what you just literally need to do is just to tap. Enjoy your tap for free. Just keep tapping. You just have to tap more, tap as much as you need to. Then if you want to invite, you go to friends, you create your link and invite your friend. From this invite link you create a link so you can send to any of your friends. Then we can go to boost. You can buy multiple tabs, you can increase the energy limit, you can recharge your speed, and you can also buy an auto tap bot. Yes, if you refer a friend, the availability of 3 full energy and turbo will come alive, but I don't think I have any downline. That's why it's not opening. Then you can also earn if you're able to do all the tasks here. You accumulate more tokens here. Then what it's all about is just mine. Have fun, mine as much as possible. Just mine. This coin has potential. Just mine as much as possible. I hope this video was helpful. Do well to drop a question if you have any at the comment section. Also do well to like our page, subscribe our channel, and turn on the post notification bell for more educative content. Thank you very much and see you in my next video. Bye.